Alrighty, I have a construction update for you guys today on AlpenFury. So as you see here, there is a whole lot of mess. Like, this just looks so messy. It's all focused around the footings, still just finishing up those final details. There is one specific section we're going to talk about when it gets to it, but over in the station area, nothing exciting going on right now. They have just poured those caissons for the station. They're letting them dry now. Nothing outside of that. There's a lot of work going on inside the mountain, though. So as you see here, there's two guys up there with a winch that lowers and raises things. So they're obviously doing some work down below in the tunnels. I have a feeling that's going to be the last section of the ride because it was also still in development when the ride was still being announced. So they hadn't finalized plans / designs for the actual launch tunnel itself. So all that was done pretty last minute and close to what, we're seeing right now. So outside of that, not much to report on. There is a lot of rebar cages left, which is interesting. There's a ton of rebar, which leads me to believe that there is still a small section that we've missed because it's away from the path and it's away from the drone. But you're going to see when I get to my other drone angle across the highway that they're working in the specific area and they might be doing some footings there. I don't know. I'll have to check in person. But here you can see the orange spray painted line for what's going to be the dive-in tunnel. So that's really cool. It dives in a lot deeper than I thought, so that's going to be awesome to see when we're on the ride. It's going to feel really cool. And again, we're all going to be fingers crossed for those rollbacks. By the way, before I continue on to the next subject, comment down below. What do you guys think about this Nissan-Honda merger? That caught me off guard today, and I have to hear other people's thoughts. So comment down below what you think about that, because that caught me really off guard, those two companies merging, possibly. But yeah, here, based off of this angle, you're going to see, again, just finished off those footings in the pizza area. But now they're doing some digging here, and it looks like they're getting the drill ready, / they had done some drilling for some possible footings that might go in the middle of this roadway / this little grass area. There's some missing footings. So it looks like they actually still have a little section to do, which would explain the rebar cages sitting right there. I love that little robot ground flattener thing there. I think it's called like a tamper. I'm going to get canceled if it's not in the comment section below. But yeah, as you can see here, just removing a lot of that excess dirt off site in the Skyrider area. But here, they had to do some footings, I guess. We'll wait till in person to figure that out. But here's another really awesome close-up shot of them working on the exit to the launch tunnel. Again, this ride's going to be fascinating seeing that. And just that one straightaway section heading towards Extreme Skyflyer, it's going to look so good from the Mountain Cookie Witch building. So I'm really excited to see how that turns out because it has so much potential to look so awesome when you're looking all the way down from the Cookie Witch. So definitely curious to timing. Again, out of the two companies that are going to do the vertical construction, you have Fox ES and Walter is the company's name. I think I said MM, but it's WW. It's Walter. Those are the two companies that could potentially be doing the vertical. So it'll be interesting to see which was chosen and how quickly they're able to get this coaster knocked out, even working 7 days a week and some overnights. I'm really curious to see if we have a lot of timing for that. I know a lot of people are like, oh, every other ride's vertical, but AlpenFury, yes, it's true. Every other ride in the world is vertical. I bet you there's a 2026 ride that's vertical before AlpenFury at this point. But yeah, that's it. I just decided to insert my opinion here because there wasn't much else to talk about for AlpenFury other than, is it going to open on time? I think the obvious answer is there might potentially be a delay, but Wonderland and Cedar Fair, they're going to try all their strings to get this open. They will be working 7 days a week, not on holidays. Do I think they're going to start vertical next week? There's a small chance, but there's a lot of holidays in there. And based off of previous construction jobs, they take a week or two off. Now, Wonderland is paying overtime, especially with how far behind they've fallen, so they might just take a couple days off next week, but I'm assuming they're going to take all of next week off, and then they'll start the week after that. But yeah, that's it for the construction update today. If you didn't see my last video, my buster's obviously being retracked, and here's a cool shot of it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for an in-park one. Bye.